Alright, data engineers. If you're eyeing a role at DataBricks, you've got to be ready for some seriously sharp questions. The interview process is known for being both challenging and rewarding, so preparation is key if you want to stand out from the crowd. Today, I'll break down the essential ones you need to nail and throw in some quick tips on how to answer them. We'll cover both the technical and strategic aspects, so you'll be ready for anything they throw your way. Let's dive in. First up, how would you optimize a Spark job? This is a classic question that tests your understanding of Spark's internals and your ability to make data pipelines efficient. Interviewers want to see if you truly get distributed computing. So talk about using partitioning, caching, choosing the right file formats, and maybe tweaking those Spark configurations like shuffle partitions. Don't forget to mention the importance of minimizing data movement and using broadcast joins when appropriate. Pro tip: mention how you'd monitor Spark UI to find bottlenecks. Explain how you'd analyze stages, look for skewed tasks, and use metrics to guide your optimizations. This shows you're not just guessing, you're data-driven. Next, you'll definitely get explain the difference between narrow and wide transformations in Spark. This is fundamental to understanding how Spark executes jobs under the hood. Keep it simple. Narrow transformations like map or filter process data within a single partition. They don't require data to move between nodes, so they're fast and efficient. Wide transformations, think group by or join, require shuffling data across partitions. This means data has to move between different nodes in the cluster, which can slow things down. And yeah, shuffles are expensive, so always optimize for fewer of them. Try to design your pipelines to minimize wide transformations and always be aware of the cost of data movement. Here's another classic. Describe a data pipeline you've built end-to-end. This is your opportunity to showcase your technical depth and project experience. This is your chance to showcase your real-world skills. Walk through your pipeline architecture. Maybe start with ingesting raw data, transforming it using Spark or DataBricks notebooks, and then loading results into Delta Lake or another warehouse. Be sure to mention how you handle data quality, schema evolution, and scaling as your data grew. Bonus points if you talk about automation, monitoring, and error handling. Explain how you set up alerts for failures, automated retries, and ensure data consistency throughout the pipeline. Don't forget, what's Delta Lake and why use it? This is a DataBricks favorite, so be ready. Delta Lake lets you bring ACID transactions to your data lake, manage schema versions, and perform time travel queries. It's a game changer for ensuring data reliability and consistency, especially in big data environments. It's awesome for reliability and building production pipelines. With Delta Lake, you can confidently handle streaming and batch data and recover from failures with ease. And sometimes they'll throw in a